Crafts that make kids smile. Dry erase dancing craft. Hi everybody, today we're going to do a simple craft using a dry erase marker, a plate with a flat bottom, and some warm water. I already have the first 4 letters of my words started, so I'm going to add my last one, which is going to be an E, which means to smile, because this is a craft that makes kids smile. So I drew with a dry erase marker onto the plate, and now I'm going to pour some warm water and hopefully make my letters move off the plate. It's slowly moving. I'm going to add some over here. It looks like it's picking them up, and the E is almost there. And it looks like the S is there. Sometimes if you move the plate a little bit more, it will pick it up. And our letters are moving around. Watch this. How fun is that? Try it at home and see if you can make it work. Now we're going to try to draw a stick figure to see if we can make the stick figure dance. So we're going to draw some legs, some arms, and a head. And hopefully we can make our stick figure dance on the plate. Starting to lift off now. Now it's heading towards the legs. And if we give it a little shove, there it goes. And now we're going to see it dance. Watch this. Give it a try. It may take a couple turns. The thicker markers sometimes work better, and warm water seems to work the best. Try some letters, try some shapes, and try a stick figure like this. And make him dance. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you are the reason someone smiles today. Don't forget to subscribe to see some more fun crafts. Crafts that make kids smile.